look like okay.
We do something on the already have been done or already have been shared by others. So the repeat here is very important. It's so that we have to go in deeper and deeper. Okay? Going deeper and deeper. Okay. So this going deeper and deeper, what does it mean by going deeper and deeper? It means that it must be something different. Okay?
Yeah.
It must be something different and what? And advanced than this. Advanced than this one. Then we call that research. If you don't do this thing, we cannot, what we are doing is not research, but what we are doing is just what? Collecting what have been searched by other or research of other, then we collect it. It's just the action of collecting data only. Okay? So have to do the going deeper, different and advanced. If you cannot do so, don't call it a research. Because many people, they misunderstood this one and then they said they plan to do the research. But I met one Vietnamese candidate, and he want to write a thesis on metta. I said, you cannot do it. Why? Because the scope is narrow, right? And then he believed in it. Then he said, I can search I said, where you find the resources? Then he said, sources. Then he said, in the Burmese literature, have a lot. I said, that one is already done by others, right?
Yes.
It's not the research, it's just the collecting data. So don't do this thing because someone already worked on it. Okay, so remember, this is very important. Basis, but important, right? But we cannot do research without searching, right? This one also very important because why? We cannot do research without searching other work. So this searching is referred to what? Initial stage. It's an initial stage of search of research. Right?
Yeah.
Initial stage of research. We make the thing different and advanced than this initial stage. So you need to collect the data. But how to use the collecting data is important, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the research here, right? The initial stage of research, but research here refers to what? It requires what? Require even reading. Require.
Yeah, you have to raise your whiteboard up. Yeah, you have to go down area.
Oh, I cannot read the word because it's special. I will load down the screen. Okay. I will load down the computer.
You know, if you go lower level, writing lower level, we cannot see.
Yeah.
It's okay. This is okay.
Is this okay? You can see here?